Ever feel like your lungs are filled with ancient residue? I'm talking like post-smoking pollen dust. It's all just stuck in there. It looks like tar, but it's actually liquid pressure washer for your lungs. Just 2 droppers in your water. I usually take mine in the morning. You will feel it working within seconds. I went from constantly coughing, having a tight chest, and like wheezing to deeper breaths, a clearer chest, and smoother airflow. This is perfect for quitters or like pollen season people. Those smoky city dwellers. If your lungs are stuck, this clears it out. I'll have it linked in the orange shopping cart. If you still see it, that means that it hasn't sold out yet, but it always does.